They said they were, what? Just the poor man section, like you said.
Yeah, we're back at the back of the bus. But we're still pimping, Cheers to that. Hey, what up, Ed? What up, Belgium? Love you, people. We had the hockey game. We direct on Jason TV, YouTube. You should subscribe to the channel, JWeed69. That's how we do it. Big pimpin'. Here with my nigga Dom. We're representing.
Still not at 317.
Still not at. We're at the back of the bus. Back of the bus. Man, they got some nice food. We're gonna eat some. So 70% of the people that come and see and watch your hockey games are women that come to see fights. Not even guys. You would think it's us, no? 316, man. We hot. We're burning hot. 317 is the next one.
Finally.
316 again? I get every 316. No, 317 too.